Hi everyone. Okay, this one is so pretty. We're making a soft red velvet mug cake today, eggless, super quick. And honestly, it tastes bakery style. That bright red color with creamy frosting, obsessed. And the best part? You only need one mug. No oven, no mixer, barely any cleanup. Perfect for late night dessert cravings. Trust me, your kitchen is about to smell amazing. Let's make it together. First, grab your favorite mug. A standard mug works best. Add 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour. You can also use half-wheat flour for a slightly healthier version. Now add 2.5 tablespoons sugar. Reduce a little if you prefer less sweetness. Add 1 teaspoon cocoa powder. Just a little gives that classic red velvet flavor. Now add a 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. This helps the mug cake rise soft and fluffy. Add a tiny pinch of salt. It balances the sweetness and boosts flavor. Mix all the dry ingredients really well. Break any lumps before adding liquids. Pour in 4 tablespoons milk. Any regular milk works fine here. Cold or room temperature both work perfectly. This is what makes the batter smooth and silky. Now add 2 tablespoons oil. Oil keeps mug cakes softer than butter. You can use melted butter instead. That gives a richer bakery-style taste. Add a 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence. It makes the cake smell amazing. Mix slowly until smooth and glossy. Make sure no dry flour is hiding underneath. Now add half teaspoon white vinegar. This is the secret to a soft velvety texture. Add a few drops red food color. Gel color works best for vibrant red. Mix gently one last time. Don't overmix or the cake gets dense. The batter should look smooth and slightly silky. That's when you know it's ready to microwave. Microwave for 60 to 70 seconds. Every microwave cooks differently, so keep checking. The top should look set but soft. Overbaking can make it dry and brownish. Let the cake rest for 1 minute. This keeps the inside extra soft. Now let's make the frosting. This is what makes it look irresistible. Add 2 tablespoons cream cheese to a bowl. Room temperature cream cheese mixes much smoother. Now add 1 tablespoon butter. This makes the frosting rich and creamy. Add 2 tablespoons powdered sugar. You can adjust sweetness to your liking. Add a few drops vanilla. Just a little adds so much flavor. Mix everything until fluffy and smooth. It should look thick and pipeable. If needed, microwave for 5 seconds only. Just soften it slightly, not melt it. Spread or pipe the frosting on top. Make it thick, pretty, and bakery style. Now I'm adding a few white chocolate chips on top. This makes it look extra pretty and bakery style. They add little creamy bites in every spoonful. Honestly, red velvet and white chocolate are so good together. Look at that creamy finish. Bright red cake with fluffy frosting is perfection. Now take that first bite. Soft, velvety, creamy, and insanely good. And that's our soft red velvet mug cake. Super quick, super easy, and honestly so satisfying. If you try this recipe, tell me how it turned out. Did you add your own twist too? Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And follow for more easy mug cake recipes every week.